Alright, so these are the two PCV valves. One goes there, one goes there. When I took this one off, I could pass air through one way and a little bit through the other way. And this one here, I could pass air through both directions equally. Just me blowing and sucking, of course. After spraying a bit of degreaser and CRC and whatnot down there, things have improved. I don't know if there's any sort of fibrous thing down there, so I don't know if the cleaning agent has destroyed anything, but it doesn't matter. I'm going to put new ones in here. And yeah, so my understanding is you should be able to blow one way and not the other. When the car is at low revs, the vacuum in here will be at its highest, which would suck air in through there, same on that side, thereby releasing pressure within the crankcase. And as the revs pick up, the vacuum's going to drop and these will close. That could well have been contributing to the ongoing oil leaks in this car. I've had pros look at it. I've changed rocker cover seals, main end seal. Things haven't improved, and in fact it's gotten worse. And that's when I decided enough's enough and I'm going to park the car up. So that's what's happened there. I wasn't going to explain all of this until later on, but anyway, that's the situation. And when I pulled this off, there were 3 little hoses that were disconnected in various places, and these not functioning right. A lot of bad corrosion in a lot of electrical connectors, injectors and whatnot, were very badly corroded. So in this early stage, I've decided I'm inclined to pull the entire engine out, and in my mind that's what I've decided to do. So I'll pull the entire engine out, that way I can check the main end seal and go over everything and clean everything up as I go. I'm not going to paint this. I basically wire brushed it with one of those and a wheel on the end of a drill, and yeah, I don't know how paints. I quite like the natural look. So that's the plan. I've got some pallet wrap here, some cardboard or something over these faces, just to protect them. And so the shopping list, I've got PCV valves, gaskets, Scotch-Brite pads, do a bit of scrubbing on the insides here, and an engine crane and an engine mount. Do a bit of shopping there. I'm hoping I can get an engine mount and crane all in one machine. And I'm hoping the engine crane will be, I want to get a collapsible one because we're a bit tight for space in here. Well, this is the second time shooting this. I'd rather have this door open, but we've got a lot of wind coming in here, which I actually like, but the wind is causing horrible microphone noise. So on top of that, I need to check the lighting in here if I'm going to work at night. I need to see how the lighting's going to be. I've got some other bits that I'll pallet wrap and get everything labelled up and whatnot. And then we'll move on.